Hi, my name is Hairi Anwar, and I'm gonna sing Little Things by One Direction. Hope you enjoy. Your hands fit in mine like it's made just for me. Bed this in mine, it was meant to be. And I'm joining up the dots with the freckles on your cheeks, and it all makes sense to me. I know you never laugh. The crinkles by your eyes when you smile, you never laugh. Your stomach or your thighs, the dimples in your back at the bottom of your spine. I love them endlessly. I won't let these little things slip out of my mouth. But if I do, it's you. Oh, it's you. They add up to I'm in love with you. And all these little things. You can go to bed without a cup of tea. Maybe that's the reason that you talk in your sleep. And all those conversations are the secrets that I keep. But it makes no sense to me. I know you never love the sound of your voice on tape. You never want to know how much you weigh. You still have to squeeze into your jeans, but you're perfect to me. I won't let these little things slip out of my mouth. But if it's true, it's you. Oh, it's you. They add up to I'm in love with you. And all these little things. Thank you. Have a nice day.